You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word. Yes, it comes from French, and all French words in English are confusing. Let's break it down. It's actually pretty easy once you know how to pronounce it in English. Recruitment. Okay, so don't worry about the I there in the middle. It really doesn't do anything for the pronunciation. And so it's not re. Recruit. Okay, so it's like an oo sound. Recruitment. The stress is on the crute syllable. So once you know, it's actually pretty straightforward. Recruitment. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Recruitment. Stay tuned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.